Hey guys! Today we'll be making Coquito.
This is a Puerto Rican Christmas drink similar to eggnog. For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen. Get your blender and add in your coconut milk and evaporated milk. Add in your sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to use your spoon to get all of it out.
add in your coconut cream. You may need to use a spoon to get it out. Add in your cinnamon and vanilla extract.
For us, we use the coconut milk can to measure out how much Bacardi or white rum you want to use. But for you all, you can do it to taste. Blend until it's well combined.
Once it's finished blending, make sure to taste it. If you would like more of a cinnamon taste, or if you would like for it to taste stronger in alcohol, now is the time to add in those ingredients. You're gonna want to use a glass bottle to store the drink. We use the funnel for an easy pour.
This drink is best cold, so make sure to refrigerate the drink for a couple hours, then drink up.
Wow, this drink reminds me of Christmas in my abuela's house.
Oh, and New Year's too.
Enjoy! Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon.